All right, we got a broke off fitting inside of this. Ain't enough meat to get on to really pull it out to get it out. I'm gonna show y'all the Allen wrench trick. What you do, get you some Allen wrenches. You need at least one big one. Stick it in there. Down here on this. So stick one wrench in there. Then all you want to do is fill in the void space. So I'll stick that one in there. Stick that one in there. That ain't quite enough. We got one more. Just different sizes, really. All you need. So we'll jam this in between these two right here. Like this. Give it a little tap in there. And what that does is jams all that in. So you grab one. Don't grab them all or the whole thing will just come out. Just grab one. See it starting binding up right here? Good Lord, it's still tight. It coming out. Once you get it bound up and moving, you can put a wrench on it or a pipe, whatever you have to do to get it out of there. All right, there it is. The Allen wrench trick.